What's going on YouTube? So I went to Best Buy and I was looking for a new pair of wireless headphones. Those MPOW ones were not bad, but in the end I kind of thought maybe I can try and find something better. So in the process I ended up finding these headphones. These are the JBL Endurance Sprint headphones. I truly did not know that JBL made actual headphones. I thought they really only made speakers, so this is kind of an interesting surprise. So I decided to pick it up, and I'm gonna basically open it up, let you guys know how I feel about it, and I'll give you my thoughts on how it sounds after I put them on, test them out. So look at the front of the box. It has a picture of the headphones. Interesting design. It kind of has that over the ear design, but it doesn't have those hooks. It looks like kind of the whole headphone or something. Anyways, I'll get a better look once I open it. So on the top it says Endurance Sprint, and then over here it shows yeah, so wireless, waterproof, you can't beat that. Bluetooth, and it shows over here there's 8-hour battery life, which it actually is not bad. Top of the box, just wireless sport headphones. On the side, a picture of a Sprinter, Dare to Listen. Other side, just another picture of the headphones. And also down here, it looks like it shows what's in the box. So it looks like headphones, different ear tips, charging cable, and I don't know what that is. Oh, and then it just kind of shows like the frequency range of the headphones or something like that. But it's pretty much whatever. If you ever bought a pair of headphones like this, it comes with the same stuff as any other pair of headphones. So the back, back of the box, pretty much the same information, a little better picture of the headphones. And over here it shows can make hands-free calls. There's touch controls and power hook technology, which I think is talking about the actual hook. I'm not really sure, but I'll test it out. And warning, that's not good. Anyways, let's open it up. So it's having a really hard time focusing right now. There we go. So now, to open this, there's a little flap over here. You guys can see. So it's kind of like magnetic, opens like a book. And there you go. So on the inside, it shows twist lock technology, flex off, lightweight. Just some marketing stuff, just telling you what the headphones come with. Only way to really know is actually test these out. So here's actual headphones. Pretty nice packaging. Take this lid off. Give me 1 second. It's actually there. There's tape over here, so it's taped over. Anyways, so some nice. I don't know what type of padding this is, but it's basically just some type of soft padding where the headphones are sitting. So here are the headphones. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but so we're so close. Oh, that's really annoying. This is the most annoying thing I've ever had to take out of a box. Oh my goodness. But we got it. So these are headphones. Look like pretty much any other pair of wireless earbuds. So we'll put those to the side. So don't worry about that. If we look in here, just these are now your ear tips, and this is a charging cable. Pretty nice color, honestly. But I mean, it's micro USB. It's literally just another charging cable that you all probably have at home. So now we have some of the stuff in the book. So this actually, so this is advertising. This looks like a pair of truly wireless earbuds that they're advertising. And I think in the back, it also shows how the touch controls work. So it looks like for music control on the right earbud, tap once to play pause, tap twice to go forward, tap 3 times to go back. And phone control on the right earbud, I guess if someone's calling you, tap once to pick up, tap twice to call, tap 3 times just to hang up. Real quick, one more time. And volume control. So on the right ear tip, slide up to turn it up and slide down and turn it up. So it's actually pretty cool compared to a lot of the basic earbuds that have the buttons and everything. It's actually pretty cool. It's a nice little change on how headphones like these work. And then in the box, Endurance Sprint, a whole lot of information that I think it just talks about basically how the headphone works. I don't know if there's much to like really go over in this. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Looks like you have some warranty, safety information. Who cares? And then some more. Then some more. So put that to the side. Those ear tips. So here are the headphones. Put a nice view for you. They look like so these look so interesting. I've never seen a pair. They look like your normal over-the-ear headphones, but they just look different. It's just something about them, but at the same time, I think that's what got me to buy these. They're $40, by the way, so they're not crazy expensive. It's actually not a bad deal. And yeah, and they also come in a bunch of different colors. I know if you if you look at Amazon, it'll show you the other options they have. I picked up blue because it was the only option. So, yep. And so it's the left ear. This goes in the left ear. Looks nothing much to it. I think this side just doesn't have any touch controls. And on the right side is kind of, I think, where everything is housed. So you can see over here, it shows sliding up and down. And like in the starter manual, it shows you what other functions it can do. And then the charging port's in the bottom. So I'm going to give these a little test drive. And then I'm going to let you know how these are in a little bit. All right, so I just got done testing out the headphones. My thoughts. Number one, this twist lock technology, whatever they call it, that works. It's very weird when you do it. You have to put it in at an angle, then twist it. But once you twist it, it is so secure. And like it isolates so much sound. It is so good. Like it's surprising how good this was. I was very happy with that. Number two, everything is on the right ear tip. Turning it on was kind of weird, but you see where it has that that little finger there. That's, you just press and hold that. It's touch, connect, very simple. Now to the sound quality. These headphones are probably the worst headphones I've ever like heard in my life. I really hate to say it, but I literally tried these for maybe like 10, 20 seconds, and I think I'm just done with it. I don't even know if I'm going to keep these. My problem when it comes down to it is the bass. These headphones have absolutely no bass whatsoever. If there's like an app or something that you can use to adjust it, or maybe I'm just not doing this right, you can let me know. But these headphones, they just sounded so tinny. Compared to those M-Pals I tested out earlier, I mean, those I think are worlds better than this. This is just, you get such a good seal, but in return, the music quality is just really not worth it. So my reviews on this, looks cool, definitely fits very well, but the sound quality is just totally not worth the money. Just go literally buy, I think you can find like $10 headphones that probably sound better than these. These just have no bass. The music just sounds so tinny, and honestly, I just think it's not worth it. So yeah, that's basically my reviews. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll probably pick up another pair of headphones and then end up reviewing those. So just let me know if there's anything specific. And other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.